I'm Brent Dunn. I live at Congo in New South Wales on the far south coast. We have been building our house here for a year or so. We now just have the interiors to finish off.
We've had some long connections to Congo, and so we started looking for something like this on the coast. When this property came up, it was the worst block in the best place. We're building this on top and from a watercourse, and it's got an easement, and it's quite difficult. It's all a process of site analysis, and I think camping on this block for 5 years has really helped with this. It's helped us understand where the best place is to have your breakfast, where we want to spend time during the day, and where we have our afternoon drink. It's got large gum trees, which is what drew us to the block of land in the first place. They're beautiful, and they make the block what it is. We've arrived at this design that basically pushes all the bedrooms to the east. They're bounded to the east by a services spine where all bathrooms and kitchens are located. And then it allowed us to create this living area in the middle of the block, which is essentially an outdoor space.
In response to this particular site, the other move that we've made is to lift the roof and allow light to come in above the level of the verandas. The sloping beams into the north space here are sloped to admit more winter light. And the main doors enable us to open this room completely on both sides. And then there's another layer to them, which is the fly screen layer. So it means that we can sit here on a summer evening and be in a fly screen room, which you do need.
Which is very important at Congo.
We were investigating types of prefabrication that we could use. And the one that made the most sense to us was cross-laminated timber. So the timber panels you can see behind us here, that's actually spruce, so it's pine timber. It's laid up in cross-laminated, so it's got a layer going this way, a layer going this way. So it's like plywood. We sent the computer model over. It all got CNC cut in the factory, loaded into 2 containers, and then shipped over here, which we unloaded in Maruya, and then we erected it in 3 days.
It allows you to build very airtight, so in winter, in the extremes of winter and summer, we can shut the house down and keep the temperature even. We did investigate other options in Australia, but the manufacturing process just isn't as advanced as it was in Austria at the time.
According to all calculations that we've been provided by the suppliers, it's carbon negative. Our baseline is a sustainable approach because it simply makes sense. It's logical to do things that don't use too many resources, to build things with quality so that they last longer. Trying to use natural materials, we're trying to use low carbon materials, we're trying to use recycled materials in order to build us a lovely place to live that is in keeping with the landscape around us.